Our world is changing fast. We face global climate change and depletion of natural sources. We must act today for a better tomorrow. It's time to upgrade your lighting. It's time for tomorrow's light. Reduce your energy consumption, lower your environmental impact, and be prepared for the upcoming phasing out of fluorescent lamps. Our refurbishment solutions allow to upgrade your existing luminaire to LED in an easy, quick, and circular way. Improve comfort and lower consumption. Tomorrow's light is endless, effortless, wasteless. ETAP, tomorrow's light.